Today we should learn label setting. Label setting is the technique of deciding quantity of stocks should be maintained by an organization in order to ensure production activities smoothly. It also helps an organization to avoid problem of overstocking, problem of understocking, and the problem of shortage of materials, etc. Let's see the meaning of label setting. The technique of deciding various quantity of stocks should be maintained by an organization in its store so that production activities can be undertaken smoothly is called label setting. There are various labels generally maintained by an organization so that it can continue its operation for a long period without any obstacles. Such labels are: first one is reordering label, second one maximum label, third one is minimum label, fourth one is danger label, and fifth one is average label. Reordering label means the stock label in which an organization should place further order, whereas maximum stock label means the label beyond which stock is not allowed, whereas minimum label is the label below which stock is not allowed. And danger label is the label that lies below the minimum label that may create problem for organization. Similarly, average label is the label that lies in between maximum label and minimum label. An organization has to follow different rules for the fixing its various labels. That means there are so many rules are used for the computation of reordering label, maximum label, minimum label, danger label, and average label. Such rules are reordering label equals to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Similarly, maximum level equals to reordering level plus reordering quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Again, minimum level equals to reordering level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Average level equals to minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. Sometimes we may also use another rule for computing average level, that is minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. Again, danger level equals to average consumption into maximum reorder period for emergency purchase. Okay, let's repeat again. Reordering level equals to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Maximum level equals to reordering level plus reordering quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Minimum level equals to reordering level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Similarly, average level equals to minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. There is another rule also used for computing average level. That second rule is minimum level plus half of reorder quantity, and our danger level equals to average consumption into maximum reorder period for emergency purchase, where normal consumption equals to minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. Similarly, sometimes normal reorder period is also not given. In this situation we have to compute normal reorder period, that is minimum reorder period plus maximum reorder period divided by 2. Sometimes our reordering quantity may not be given in the question. In this situation we have to compute reordering quantity by using the rules of economic ordering quantity, that is reordering quantity equals to whole root of 2CO divided by I. So let's solve a problem on label setting. First of all we have to compute reordering label by using its rule, that is reordering label equals to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Now using the given information, our maximum consumption is 500 units into maximum reorder period is 5 weeks. So our reordering label is 2500 units. Similarly we can compute maximum label by using its rule, that is reordering label plus reordering quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Now using the informations given, our reordering label is 2500 units plus reordering quantity is 3800 units minus our minimum consumption is 300 units into minimum reorder period is 3. So now simplifying, 2500 plus 3800 equals to 6300 minus 300 into 3, that is 900. So our maximum label is 5400 units. Again we also can compute minimum label by using its rule, that is reordering label minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. So by using the informations available, that is our reordering label is 2500 units minus normal consumption, as it is not given, generally it is computed by averaging the minimum usage and maximum usage. So here minimum consumption is 300 units and maximum consumption is our 500 units. So normal consumption is maximum consumption plus minimum consumption divided by 2. That is here 300 plus 500, that is 800 divided by 2 is our 400 into normal reorder period. Similarly, normal period is also not given. So we have to compute the normal period by averaging minimum period and maximum period. So our minimum period is 3 and maximum reorder period is 5. So the average of 3 and 5 is 4 weeks. So our minimum level equals to 2500 minus 400 into 4, that is 1600. So our minimum level is 900 units. Similarly, we also can compute average stock level by using its rules, that is average level equals to minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2 by using the values, that is minimum level is 900 units and maximum level is 5400 units divided by 2. So our minimum level is 900 plus 5400, that is 6300 divided by 2 equals to 3150 units is our average level. Similarly, we also can compute the average level by using its second rule, and other levels also can be calculated as per the informations available in the question. That's all.